Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
We've got some big changes ahead in your forecast, but today it's more of the same, and you still need to be concerned about the air quality across Northern California. Keep wearing those masks. Air quality this morning in the unhealthy range for Chico and Yuba City, in the very unhealthy range early today for areas like Oroville, and in the moderate range right now for Redding and Red Bluff. Red Bluff dipped into the good range for a little bit this morning. And I also want to mention areas of Willows and Orland in the unhealthy for sensitive groups range as we start off your morning. So still a concern for air quality today. Please continue to wear those masks. Now your weather alerts moving forward. Dry and hazy today. Wet weather returns tomorrow and travel impacts are likely late this week. High elevation snow will cause pass issues along higher elevations. So be prepared for that. It looks like snow down to around 5,500 feet possible later this week. And that is going to cause some travel impacts for anybody trying to get over the Sierra for your holiday season. Now what we're seeing for today, temperatures mid-70s or mid-30s, that is, for most of the valley this morning. 37 degrees for Chico, Red Bluff, and Corning. 32 right now in Redding, so grab your jacket. Teens and 20s in the mountains, mid to high 30s in the foothills. Winds out of the northeast to around 7 miles an hour this morning in the valley. We're seeing gusts in the Feather River Canyon currently up to around 12 to 13 miles an hour, and humidity there around 34%. So not bad for the fire conditions around the campfire this morning. Winds not very strong, humidity recovering a little bit better overnight. Satellite and radar showing you clear skies overhead right now. That changes tomorrow as this high pressure breaks down and moves off to the east. That opens up the door for this wet system to start to impact the region as early as tomorrow morning. Rain across the board by tomorrow afternoon and snow above 5,500 feet. That's going to likely cause mountain travel issues. Another round of rain moving in Thursday into Friday, and then Friday into early Saturday, yet another round. So we've got some very wet conditions on the way, and that's prompting concerns for a flash flood warning in burn scar areas. So in areas close to the Camp Fire, Carr Fire, Delta Fire, Hers Fire, and Mendocino Complex fires, you need to be prepared for that. That does look like it could be an issue, and we could see ponding on roadways. Meanwhile, today, temperatures in the 30s for the valley this morning, ending up in the low to mid 60s for the mid-valley this afternoon, with mid to high 60s in the northern end of the valley. Teens and 20s in the mountains early today, mid 50s to low 60s for your afternoon, and staying dry. And the dry weather, well, that comes to an end tomorrow. We're seeing temperatures dropping into the mid to high 50s for Chico, low to mid 50s for Redding from Wednesday through Friday. So that includes your Thanksgiving holiday, and wet weather in a big way through the end of the week, possibly extending into early Saturday. Then we dry out and we warm back into the low 60s this weekend. Overnight lows, meanwhile, getting a little warmer with the clouds on the way, mostly 40s through the end of the week. Megan and Julia.
Straight ahead on